Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. This month on Resin Bell, we're going to be doing 30 pours in 30 days. Oh my gosh. A resin on a resin channel? Shocking. I know, right? So we're going to be working with UV resin, epoxy resin. We're going to be doing dirty pours, coasters, jewelry, trays, all kinds of different things. So it's going to get wild. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be UV resin pop sockets. So I've had these in my stash for a while. I'm trying to use some of this stuff up, but these are just some pop sockets that you can get on Amazon and put these on your phone, etc. And then I found these little stickers at a thrift store. There was a whole bunch of different ones and I thought this one was super cute. I'm going to be cutting out the little head on that one and putting it on a glitter background, and then this one will just be just this. So let's get started. This is a simple project that you can do very quickly. And I am using Counterculture DIY UV resin. It's really good stuff. Try it out. Well, I am using Holding Out for a Hero by yourglitterdealer.com. She's done. Oh, she's so cute. Look how cute she is. It's just so cute. Just cute, cute, cute. I love her. She's so adorable. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, so those were two very simple, very easy crafts that you can do with UV resin. You can customize them in just about any way you could imagine. You could do alcohol inks on just these and then cover it with UV resin. You could paint on them. You could add stickers. You can add glitter. You can add, vinyl cutouts, all kinds of ways. You could add rhinestones and just so many different ways you can alter these very simply and very quickly with some UV resin. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next video tomorrow.